here I have Oukitel OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, advanced, reset options, and select the first option, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then tap reset settings, then once again, and after that all of these network settings will be reset to its defaults. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.